today. So we ended up with an inside bar, basically a red pin bar the day before, almost, well, not quite a decent pin bar, but got a long tail to the upside. And then we had a range bar inside that. So 2 days of confusion at the moment. And I've left the wedge lines in from yesterday, and I just want to highlight a few things here. So the first thing is we broke back into the bigger wedge, and then we sort of just tested it and hung around here for most of the day. Okay, no real direction, rejecting this trend line. Okay, at the level that we're rejecting as well is pretty much where we closed. Let's just put a level in there, which is 131.40. Okay, so it does look a little bit ominous at the moment, but we'll have to wait and see what transpires. We've had some pretty good results come out yesterday across the board, and we've got some big ones coming out today. We've got Amazon coming out as well. So yeah, I'm kind of sitting on the fence on the DAX at the moment. I don't see any real opportunities for trades. I think there's a lot more opportunities in some of the currency pairs. Have a look at the currency video this morning. Some decent opportunities there. And I know there's a decent opportunity on the S&P, even the Nasdaq got some decent opportunities as well. But this kind of sideways motion, let's zoom in so we all understand what I'm talking about. You can't trade that. You really can't trade that. Okay. So the best that you can do right now is to say that is a range. And until we break through this range, I'm not interested in trading it. This trend line on the upside here does concern me. Okay. So we need to get above it and then find supports on it and then move, and then we'll be looking for longs. But that's going to coincide with a break above this range. So 131.40, get above it, find support on it and start rallying. That's long. Get below it, 130.68, and test it. I may just consider looking for some shorts. But the trend is up, so I'm reluctant to be looking for shorts. There is no rhyme or reason why I should be looking for shorts at the moment. This is higher lows, higher highs. This more than likely just some kind of structure forming, but I'll be looking to buy any deep pullback anyway. Okay, so at the moment, sit on sides until we get through the structure, up or down. If it's down, I'm not taking the short. There will maybe a short scalp on offer, but I'm not really bothered with that. I will be looking for structure where we're heading to, and then look for the opportunity to buy into it. Okay, the volumes were very thin yesterday as well, so you can just get this impression that something is brewing, and I don't think it's brewing to the downside. I think it's more brewing to the upside. Okay, so anyway, for the DAX, I'm sit on hands, not really bothering with this until we get through this range. Okay, hope it helps you, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.